She left you? Good. Let her walk. You don't need someone who couldn't see your worth. But let me tell you something. This isn't about her anymore. It's about you. Today is the day you shift gears, because when she left, she didn't just lose a guy. She lost a beast in the making. And I promise you this, she's going to regret every damn second. Here's the harsh truth. They expect you to be broken, shattered, desperate. They want you to sit there waiting for them to come back, but you're not their backup plan, and you sure as hell aren't anyone's option. The second you stop giving a damn is the second you regain all the power. Let them regret losing you, not because you're playing games, not because you're trying to prove anything to her, but because you're about to outgrow every version of yourself she ever knew. When a woman loses a man who's on his way to becoming unstoppable, she feels it. Deep. You stop texting. You stop checking her socials. You vanish. Not because you're hiding, but because you're building something bigger. When she scrolls through her feed, she'll see you leveling up in every way possible. New connections, new energy, new you. She'll realize what she lost wasn't a man. It was a damn force of nature. That's when the regret kicks in. And let me tell you, this isn't about flaunting some shallow revenge or trying to get her attention with cheap tricks. That's what weak men do. You don't rise for anyone but yourself. You rise because you refuse to stay down. You rise because your future demands that you be better than who you were yesterday. And when she sees you thriving like never before, trust me, she'll be thinking, how the hell did I let that go? But this isn't about her, brother. Stop giving her that power. She doesn't get to control your story anymore. This is your time. No more waiting, no more wondering. You don't live to prove her wrong. You live to prove yourself right. You are the storm that she never saw coming. While she's busy thinking she upgraded, you're out here building an empire so untouchable that by the time she regrets it, you're on a whole other level. So hear me out. You don't need to make her regret it on purpose. That's too small for a man like you. What you're gonna do is level up so high, so fast, that by the time she realizes what she lost, she can't even reach you anymore. She'll be left chasing a ghost, wishing she never walked away from a king, and you'll be too busy living your best life to even care. Start now. Be relentless, make yourself proud, and let her regret losing a legend.